Good evening. I'm your host Nadia Khan, and this is Nambardar TV.
Pakistan and its neighboring countries have signed a historic trade agreement marking a new era of regional cooperation. The agreement, years in the making, aims to bolster trade, reduce barriers, and foster economic integration among the participating nations. This landmark deal comes at a time when the global geopolitical landscape is undergoing a significant shift, making regional partnerships more crucial than ever. The agreement encompasses a wide range of goods and services, promising a significant reduction in tariffs and trade barriers. It includes provisions for streamlined customs procedures, harmonized standards, and simplified investment regulations. By fostering a more conducive environment for businesses, the agreement is expected to attract foreign investment and boost economic growth in the region. The agreement's potential impact extends far beyond economics. It represents a concerted effort by the participating countries to overcome historical mistrust and political differences. By strengthening economic ties, the hope is to build greater interdependence and reduce the likelihood of conflict. This is particularly significant in a region that has long been plagued by political tensions and security concerns. The success of this ambitious undertaking hinges on the commitment of all signatory countries to its full and transparent implementation. The true test will lie in translating the agreement's lofty goals into tangible benefits for the people of the region. The new trade agreement holds immense economic potential for Pakistan and its neighboring countries. The region is home to a vast and diverse market with a rapidly growing middle class. By reducing trade barriers and promoting economic integration, the agreement aims to unlock this untapped potential and create new opportunities for businesses and consumers alike. One of the key benefits of the agreement is expected to be a significant increase in intra-regional trade. Lower tariffs and simplified customs procedures will make it easier and more cost-effective for businesses to trade with each other. This increased trade is likely to create new jobs, boost economic growth, and raise living standards across the region. However, the agreement also faces significant challenges. Infrastructure deficits, bureaucratic hurdles, and political instability in some parts of the region could hinder its full implementation. Additionally, there are concerns about the potential impact on domestic industries that may face increased competition from imports. Addressing these challenges will require a concerted effort from all stakeholders. Governments will need to invest in infrastructure, streamline regulations, and create a level playing field for businesses. Regional cooperation and dialogue will be crucial in overcoming these obstacles and realizing the full economic potential of the agreement. Beyond its economic significance, the trade agreement carries profound political implications. For Pakistan, it represents a strategic opportunity to strengthen ties with its neighbors and enhance its standing in the region. By promoting economic cooperation, the agreement aims to foster greater political dialogue and build trust among the participating countries. The agreement has been widely seen as a positive step towards regional integration and conflict resolution. By creating a framework for cooperation and dialogue, it is hoped that the agreement will help to reduce tensions and build bridges between countries that have historically been at odds. This is particularly significant in a region that has witnessed numerous conflicts and remains vulnerable to instability. However, some analysts caution against overstating the agreement's political impact. They argue that deep-seated political differences and historical mistrust cannot be easily overcome by economic agreements alone. The success of the agreement in fostering political stability will depend on the willingness of all parties to address underlying political issues and work towards a more peaceful and cooperative future. Despite these challenges, the trade agreement represents a significant shift in the regional political landscape. It reflects a growing recognition among the participating countries that cooperation, rather than confrontation, is the only viable path towards lasting peace and prosperity. Section 4. Regional stability towards a more integrated South Asia. The trade agreement has the potential to be a game changer for regional stability in South Asia. The region has long been characterized by political tensions, territorial disputes, and security concerns. The agreement's emphasis on economic cooperation and integration offers a new approach to addressing these challenges. By promoting trade and investment, the agreement aims to create a shared stake in regional stability and prosperity. As countries become more economically interdependent, the logic goes, they are less likely to engage in conflict. This is because conflict disrupts trade, undermines investment, and harms economic growth, ultimately hurting all parties involved. Moreover, the agreement's provisions for dialogue and cooperation on issues such as customs, standards, and investment regulations can help to build trust and understanding among the participating countries. By working together to address common challenges, countries can begin to overcome historical mistrust and build a more cooperative relationship. However, achieving lasting regional stability will require more than just economic integration. It will also necessitate addressing the underlying political and security issues that have plagued the region for decades. This includes resolving territorial disputes, combating terrorism, and promoting good governance. Section 5. Public perception and expert opinions, a mixed bag. The trade agreement has been met with a mixed reaction from the public and experts alike. Supporters of the agreement hail it as a historic opportunity for economic growth, regional integration, and peace. They argue that the agreement will create jobs, lower prices for consumers, and boost investment. However, critics express concerns about the potential impact on domestic industries, job displacement, and the erosion of national sovereignty. Some also question the agreement's ability to overcome deep-seated political tensions and historical mistrust among the participating countries. Expert opinions on the agreement are equally divided. Some economists believe that the agreement will lead to significant economic gains, particularly for countries with a comparative advantage in certain sectors. Others caution that the benefits may be unevenly distributed and that some countries may struggle to compete in the new, more open market. Public perception of the agreement will likely be shaped by its perceived impact on their daily lives. If the agreement leads to tangible benefits such as job creation, lower prices, and increased economic opportunities, it is likely to gain wider public support. However, if the benefits are slow to materialize or if the agreement is seen as primarily benefiting large corporations at the expense of ordinary citizens, it could face significant public opposition. Section 6. The Long View, Global Significance, and the Future of Cooperation. The new trade agreement in South Asia holds global significance, signaling a shift towards greater regional cooperation in a multipolar world. As global power dynamics continue to evolve, regional partnerships are becoming increasingly important for economic growth, political stability, and addressing shared challenges. The agreement's success could serve as a model for other regions seeking to enhance cooperation and integration. It demonstrates that even in regions with a history of conflict and mistrust, economic cooperation can be a powerful driver of peace and stability. Moreover, the agreement has the potential to reshape trade patterns and investment flows in the region and beyond. By creating a more integrated South Asian market, the agreement could attract foreign investment and boost trade with other parts of the world. The long-term success of the agreement will depend on the commitment of all participating countries to its full and effective implementation. This includes not only reducing tariffs and trade barriers, but also addressing non-tariff barriers, improving infrastructure, and creating a level playing field for businesses. The agreement represents a bold experiment in regional cooperation with the potential to transform South Asia and beyond. Its success or failure will have profound implications for the future of the region and the wider global order.